everyone, welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to do some ackee fritters and steam callaloo. Now I got some ackee yesterday on a tree and I was hoping to get a lot more, but this is what I got. So I say, boy, this can't really do nothing, so I go just make some ackee fritters and do the callaloo. Now if you want to continue watching this video, don't forget to give this video a thumbs up, comment if you like it, and subscribe to our channel. Let's get straight into this one. Now first thing I want to do is to pick out the ackee. Now we want to remove the seed and the pink membrane on the inside. You know that the seed isn't edible, for those of you who don't know much about ackee. And if you don't have the fresh ackee, you can always use the ackee in the can. Yes, so as we know, ackee is a fruit and I used to eat it raw as a child. It can be eaten raw, but I know as I grow up, I prefer to eat it cooked. Yeah, so you want to make sure your water is already boiling up because we're going to cook our ackee. Adding some salt to my pot, and depending on the type of ackee you're cooking, some will take 8 minutes, some will take 10. So we're going to cook our ackee until it's soft. All right, let's take a look at this ackee. And as you see, the fork went straight through the ackee. That means it's cooked. What I'm going to do now is to remove it off the heat, or just take them out and put in a bowl. We want to cool down the ackee before we do anything else, right? For my fritters, I have here 1.5 cup of all-purpose flour. We're going to go in with some all-purpose seasoning. I have here as well cumin, black pepper, and some salt. You want to combine all your dry ingredients first. My water. We want a nice, we don't want it to be too thick, right? The butter, I don't want the butter to be too thick. This texture is okay for me. Now I'm going to add in some onions, finely chopped onions, some scallion, and some thyme. I removed the thyme off the sprig. And I have here some Scotch bonnet pepper also. And my ackee. You don't have to crush out the ackee, but what I did here was to just cut them. What I do like to do when I'm making fritters is to just allow it to sit for a little while so all the flavors can come together. You want to make sure your oil is hot. We're going to start dropping our ackee fritters. And guys, remember, when you're making your fritters, go all out with your seasonings. The seasoning make a big difference. We don't want any bland fritters around here, so you have to use a lot of scallion, onion, a piece of Scotch bonnet pepper, things that you would normally cook up with your ackee. You incorporate it in there, right? Your thyme, the thyme also make a big difference, and also your powder seasoning, your cumin, whatever seasonings you normally would add to your ackee to cook it up, you add it in there, right? I love to use cumin because cumin has such a nice flavor. And if you want to add a little bit of garlic powder, you do that. I never have any, so I just work with what I have right now. Now we're going to remove these and put them on some paper towel to drain off. Followed by the remaining butter. While our fritter is over there finishing off, we're going to peel our plantain. Add it in our plantains. Working with our callaloo now, and we're going to add our garlic first, followed by our thyme, our scallion, our onions, our tomatoes, and carrots, our sweet peppers, just a little bit of cumin, a pinch of all-purpose seasoning, followed by our callaloo, and there's it guys, our steamed callaloo. You know what I like to do already. You know I'm going to remove it off the heat, and the heat from the pot continue to steam it. Alright, beautiful. And this is it guys, our Ackeefritters. They're so nice, so nice. If you try it, you guys, you know, you let me know how you like it. And our fried plantains, our steamed callaloo right here. Guys, if you give this recipe a try, please let me know. Thank you so much for watching this video. Until next time, bye.